Now, Hyundai, they're ratcheting up their EV play. And one of the things you got to do if you want to ratchet I caught you off guard today, didn't I?
You got me.
I got you off guard today. You're like, okay, here it is, status quo. We're gonna go from point A to B. Let's go through the motion. I saw you drinking your fancy drink over there. You had your nice lunch.
It's just green tea. Oh man, this is gonna be one of those episodes.
No, I'm just saying, like, every so often, you gotta mix it up every so often.
Yeah, for sure.
Every so often.
I embrace it,
Anyway, so what they're doing is they're showing off some of these new charging stations, and I think they're pretty cool. These charging stations, because they're gonna have all these new EVs coming out. They're gonna need these stations around Korea in order to deal with it as they rapidly transition. And rather than do the typical recharge station as you've seen it, they made it more like a gas station. But
it looks like a bus stop.
Or a bus stop, but you can see the stalls.
Yeah, it's very cool. There's like lots, and then you kind of just tuck your car in there.
And the cool part about it being covered is rain, water.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to worry about it.
And shade.
Shade from the sun.
Yeah.
I mean, you got to love a roof here and there.
I love me some roof. That's for sure.
Well, anyway, that's the way they're going to do it. It's obviously a little more expensive to put something like this out compared to the way we've seen even superchargers from Tesla. Now, I don't know if in some areas Tesla has done something similar to this, but I usually see the standalone chargers in the stalls.
Yeah.
Without the covering. The other thing I should mention, these are fast. I like the name of it too. They're calling it e-pit, fast charging stations, like when your race car goes to the pit.
Oh, okay.
That's kind of cool. And they're going to be fast. So 800 volt chargers. You're going to get 80% of your battery in as low as 18 minutes.
Nice.
And 100 kms, 100 kilometer range in just 5 minutes of charging. You roll up to the e-pit, get yourself 100 kilometers in 5 minutes, Will.
Now, are these universal plugs, or are they just for the Hyundai EVs?
The network will be available for all EVs compatible with the CCS Combo 1 DC fast charging standard, which is the same as in the US.
Okay.
So not Tesla.
I see.
The initial stage is to build 20 stations with a total of 120 stalls, 12 stations with 72 stalls at highway rest stops around mid-April. Wait a sec. Where are they putting this? This is in South Korea. Cool. The primary objective is to enable drivers of the all-new Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Kia EV6 to take long-distance trips. You see, they got to build it out over there, man.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. So this is kind of shaping up to be a battle, isn't it? The charging standard.
Mm-hmm.
Tesla on one side and a lot of people over on the other side.
Yeah. I mean, this is a good step.
That's a nice look.
Maybe a strawberry dispenser right beside it might entice more people.
I'll sign me up.
Yeah.
Travel there right now. Aren't you going to be getting the Ioniq? Isn't that your EV? I can't remember.
I don't know. I've been getting so many cars.
You bought them all.
It was the Mach-E first.
Oh, right.
And then I do like the Aptera.
What's that?
I don't even know if it's coming out, but
wait a second. What is this? This isn't even like a well-known. You're not getting that. Stop it. I like it too. That thing is cool, but I just feel like you can't pull the trigger. You're a low-key guy.
Well, yeah, that's true.
You're getting so much.
Cool,
if you drove this, you would get more attention than anything else on the road. You would get more attention than a Lambo or anything. If you roll up to the grocery store in this thing,
yeah, immediately crash it too.
Holy cow. That's so cool though. Yeah, with getting the power from the solar panel and everything else.
Yeah.
But I want to know which one you're actually getting. Which EV are you actually getting? Well, I'm not saying you're doing it immediately. I'm saying
the Rivian,
when you
Polaris.
Rivian, you're not getting a truck. What are you talking about?
I would like a truck.
What?
Yeah.
This is news to the show. This is breaking news.
Well, I mean,
This is breaking news. You're getting a truck?
I said I would like to get a truck. And the Rivian is...
When you eventually get an EV, you're getting a truck. Is this breaking news, yes or no?
No, I don't know. I don't know what I'm getting. We'll see. We'll see.
Wow.
Could be a Cybertruck as well.
No.
I'm just naming EVs.
If you were forced to pull the trigger today on an EV, you were forced. Someone came and said, look, you must purchase an EV today or else this terrible thing happens.
Okay.
But you still got to spend your own money and purchase it. So you got to be like, think, it's not going to just sit
The value,
be there. You got to just think about what's feasible and like, you know, how every citizen would do it. What do you take right now?
I would go for maybe a Model 3, something modest.
You go for a Tesla.
Yeah.
You see, that's the key right there, isn't it?
Why?
It's just the key, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm a fan of Elon, you know. I'm a fan
But
of
it's
Tesla.
also, I think it's also that it's a comfortable, you see so many on the road, they're so far
around
ahead.
here too.
It's insane.
Yeah.
Every day I'm seeing more on the road over here.
Mm-hmm.
Even the intersection over here.
Yes.
Every time I'm stopped at the intersection, I just look, boom, 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 Tesla counter.
Yeah. They're making their way all over the place.
So there's something comforting, I think, about a person purchasing their first EV and just being like, okay, there must be a reason why this one's everywhere. It was early, but also they're good.
Mm-hmm.
So there's that. And you need these other brands to prove themselves first before you take the jump.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Wow. Breaking news.